the IGP, Mrs. Arase, and members of the family, the retired IGPs, please allow me to stand on already established protocol. Dr. Solomon Arase's life was synonymous with service, courage, and integrity. His passing has left a void not only in the Nigeria Police Force, where he rose to his pinnacle as the 18th Inspector General, but also in the larger public of our nation, where his voice, intellect, and wisdom resonated far beyond the uniform he once wore. Dr. Arase was more than a police officer. He was a reformer at heart. He believed that law enforcement in Nigeria could be anchored on professionalism, human rights, and modern policing ideals. His tenure as Inspector General of Police remains a reference point for discipline, respect for the rule of law, and community engagement in security. He demonstrated that leadership in uniform can combine firmness with fairness, authority with humility. Beyond his professional distinction, I knew him as a man of depth, an intellectual who brought scholarship into policing, a patriot who placed Nigeria's interests above personal gain, and a family man who cherished his roots in Sabogida Aura and Edo State while embodying a cosmopolitan outlook. He served with dignity and retired with honor. But even in retirement, he continued to give of himself, advising, mentoring, and offering wise counsel whenever called upon. And I can remember one occasion when the late President Muhammadu Buhari, after the retirement of IGP Mustapha as the chairman of the Police Service Commission, along with the IGP and the then Minister for Police Affairs, Dangiani, who now serves as the Minister for Labor and Employment, and myself, who were charged with the responsibility of getting a successor to speak. And the meeting in my office did not last 5 minutes. Immediately, Arase's name was dropped on the table. We didn't have a second choice. We didn't have a third choice. We went to Buhari with one name. As we commend his soul to God, we must also take forward his legacy. The best way to honor him is to continue the journey of reform and service to which he devoted his life. His story reminds us that one man's fidelity to duty can uplift an institution and inspire a generation. Ma, we extend our deepest condolences to you and all members of the family and the entire Arase family. May you be comforted by the great work that the late Arase has left in the annals of our nation. Dr. Solomon Arase has finished his race with honor. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Thank you, and God bless.